Hey, what's up guys? Here's the best sounding Range Rover Sport Supercar. SBR! Subscribe! Pretty much all you do is remove dual pipe resignators in the middle, and you put, as you see, there's an X pipe right there, and I'll show you exactly what I took out. It's pretty massive. The piece that you replace the X pipe, it's the dual pipe resignator. So what you want to do is cut. You cut that off, you go to a custom exhaust shop, you get fitted a custom X pipe. That's pretty much it. If you subscribe, I'm gonna have some footage of the custom exhaust shop chopping apart my car and putting the X pipe. So comment down below, like, subscribe. Thank you.